Right guys, thank you for tuning back in. Welcome back. And if you're new to our channel, thank you for tuning in. So Amber's got one of her pupils today, Sherne. She's been with us for a couple of months now, and we're now looking at booking a driving test, expediting a test. So we're now going to be doing a reverse bay park, and by looking at the position of the car we should be able to establish whether it's a reverse left or reverse right. I believe it's going to be a reverse right. We'll see in a few seconds. I'm not going to ask them, so we're just going to watch them. So we'll see the effective observation that's taken place. You'll see that she's looking in her mirrors. She's looking around, so I believe she'll be doing a reverse right bay park. So she's going to move forward that way, make sure it's safe, then reversing. So what some people call a 90 degree or 45 degrees. So she's moving forward to the left. You'll see she'll keep moving left until she can see in that door mirror, she can see that line. Not this line, but that line. She's looking for this line. Or is she coming into this bit? We'll find out in a few moments. On your driving test, it does not matter which bay you go into. As long as you finish within a bay, you are permitted 3 adjustments. So here we can see that I think she's going to nail it on her first attempt. Now I believe this is the second time she's reverse bay parked. So I think Amber's teaching her to a very high standard. You'll notice her speed is at walking pace, so her control is good. She should now straighten the front wheels, and we can see her front wheels coming in. There we are, and she'll be coming into this bay. Now we can see that she's close to the line there, and she'll make an adjustment by steering to the left. You can see the wheels straightening up, and now she's getting close to the post, and you can see the brake lights coming out, and she's stopped. Now you can see the front wheels, they've adjusted, so she's away from the lines. Now this is a test pass. So it doesn't matter how you're positioned inside the bay, as long as you finish inside the bay. So there we are. So that makes no difference whatsoever. I was quite happy with that bay park. That would have been completely fine for her driving test. However, she's permitted 3 adjustments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tune in for the rest of her manoeuvres she'll be going through, and we'll let you know how she gets on with the driving test. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.